Hello, and welcome to Excel Highway. In today's video, I want to share with you a candidate assessment test file that I created in Excel. With this file, you can compare your candidates for a certain role based on their answers to multiple choice questions. The file structure has a few sheets in it. You have the answers sheet, questions sheet, and data test sheet all colored in gray because they're backend sheets that you don't have to do anything and they're working behind the scenes. There's the dashboard sheets that can show you your past results for certain candidates, for certain tests, so you can compare the results. You have the test questions sheet where you have to prepare most of the hard work, let's say. This is where you define the test name, the questions, the four possible answers, and the correct answer, assuming you want four answers. And the home page where you have some um, buttons that you can use to create some of the tasks in the process. So let me show you how it works. So let's say you're in the test questions area and you just create a new test name like industrial engineer v2.2. You add a question when applying, da, 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 da. You have four possible answers and you provide a correct answer. And you just have to add rows or delete rows wherever you want, and that's going to be included in the test. Once you're ready with the test, you can click on Prepare File for Candidate. There's a password 12345. That's, or sorry, test TEST. Sorry. You get this message. It asks you for the test to select, let's say industrial engineer. Then you have to save it somewhere, like in downloads. And it will also open it for you. Just take a look, and then this is the file that your candidate will be using. So obviously they don't have any sheets. Plus this is password protected, and also the VBA is protected, so they can't even see anything. They have very limited functionality. You see, even the scroll is frozen, so can't really do anything. They can't change anything. Everything is blocked. All they need to do is click on this button, Start Test. They get this question, please enter your name, and they just get the questions. So which of the following, and they can just click next question or previous question. And of course, if it's the first one, you get this message and just continue with the multiple choice questions. And you get this message for the last one. Complete test. Are you sure you want to complete the test? Click on yes. And now basically you have a start date, end date, completion time. And if you click again, then it won't allow you to do it again. Of course, they could always re-download it if you send it by email, but if they're working on a computer at your offices, then they can't redo the test. That's it. And you have to just close it and save. Now, after you got someone's results, you click on the Collect File button. Let me pull that file that I just created. That's going to load the Examine file. Paste it over here in the data sets. You see this one. And basically check each answer if they got wrong or right. And I guess 2 out of 10. And then, of course, you can also see it in the dashboard. If you select my name, then you'd see that my score for this was 20%, so 2 out of 10. Not very good, but I just guessed everything. But anyway, you can see that you can use this to see a certain candidate if he had gone through a few tests, or you could take a look at a certain test name just to see if you have some differences between candidates, so you can use the dashboard to view the results. If you like this file, please feel free to comment, leave a note, and I will see you next time. Take care.